Hey, welcome back to the next video of this series. Till now we implemented the start and slow button and the final result on the console. So congratulations. If you are new to this series, then I'll recommend you to check out this playlist. Also hit the subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends. Let's get started with this video. So first I will show you what we implemented yet. Writing name and then age, 21, and on clicking fast, and we can see KTM Duke 200 which is currently not available. So now let's see, the next step is to show the final message, which is got it John, based on your age and preference for a fast ride I recommend you the Velocity Viper. So this is the name of the vehicle. So let's implement this part. So first we have to create action, which is the final result. So I'll name this as the final result, and the message will be this. So I'll copy this from here to here. So also first we gonna do here like this, and we write the message in backticks because we are going to pass here the name, age, product name. So for that I used here backticks, and also in to here we can see that we pass here the name. So I'll write here name and then age, and after that there is a preference. So I'll copy this preference, and here also the vehicle will be like this. And now we need to pass this final result here. I think we followed the previous steps, not anything new. And now after doing this, so let me show you again. When we click on this fast button, then we have to invoke that action, which is final result. So to do this, we do the same things that we did with the initial message, which is this. Let's get started. So on click event, here we can see that we invoke this initial action, and in this we provide that action. So in this way we gonna do with start slow. So here we pass this function, which is this final result, and here we have to also pass that argument. So here in start slow, first this, and we pass here the name. Here in the parameter we can see that name and then age, preference. So first we gonna do here, we fetch the name. So to fetch that, const name and age, and after that props dot state dot user data, and then we're gonna do like this. And also here we pass that name, data, age, and then preference, and also the product name. So the product name is like this. Now let's see the result again. And also I am going to print this here. Now on refreshing again, let's get started writing their name and then age 15. On clicking slow, okay, it's showing me this fast and slow button because in action provider we passed here widget. So I'll remove this. Now let's see result again. Let's get started on writing name, which is Webhub, and now age, which is 21, and also fast and slow. So I'll select here slow, and here we can see that got it. And also there is name is not printed yet. So this is because in okay, so we didn't get any result because we didn't pass here that data. So here we write here like this, name, and here age. So the age and preference will be preference. Okay, and in this velocity wiper, I'll remove this, and after removing we pass vehicle. Okay, let's get started. Name Vaibhav, age 21, and fast and slow. Okay, it's working. So got it. Vaibhav, based on your age 21 and preference for a fast ride, I recommend the KTM Duke 200. Enjoy the thrill. Okay, so now we have to also display the image of this vehicle. To do this, we create here widget. So let's get a start with creating widget. So first of all, we write here uh, image. So let's say the component name is display image. Okay, so display image.js. Here I'll create like this, and in this we pass uh, image img tag like this, and we name this as img container, and after that we gonna pass props here like we did with previous widgets. Also we have to pass this here in this section. We gonna do like this. Here will be final image, and after doing this we have to import that component, import display image, and here we write display image. So now we need to copy this final image, and in action provider we pass that widget here like this, widget. Okay, let's see again. So as we can see that so first to check this, we write here console.log and then props. So for what I will do, I will first uh, get that I will fetch that image, the name we can see that the link and which. So we can see here image is the name, and we pass there. So after that here props dot state dot user data dot product, and in this product we write like this, and we pass that image here. Okay, now after refreshing on clicking, let's get started. Webhook, and then now age, let's say 45, and then fast. Okay, so we can see that widget is not rendered yet. So why? Okay, let's see again. So first of all I will check by writing anything like text here. On checking, let's get started. Writing name, age, and then fast. Okay, it's visible. I think we need to add here css. So to add css, we do here this app.css. So in app.css we gonna do like this, split right, and here the name of the component. Here we can see dot img container. So img container, and in this img container we do like width will be suppose 200 pixel, and height, so we do the aspect ratio as 1:1, and also we gonna do here dot img container. In this img, width will be 100% and height will be 100%, and also object fit cover. Okay, we can see that image is not getting here. So let's see why it's happening. And also what I'm going to do here, I will see here, means I print on console, printing on console image. Also not the image, I will pass this till here. So again I will see why we are not getting the image. Let's get started. And name, age, and on clicking past, okay, we can see here. All right, we can see that the product details are not in state. So I think there is issue in start slow component. So here we can see that we didn't pass this, or we can say that we didn't pass this in state. So we need to pass this here. So what I will do, I will do like this: props dot actions, not actions. So props dot state dot user data, and in this product will be equals to product. Now let's see again. I think now it will work perfectly. So age 20 and fast, and okay, so product, the product as in, okay, product is now added in the state, but we didn't get this image. Let me first check that the image, okay, so there is image URL, and we passed here only in this section, in where the component is display that image URL. So we need to do like this, that is image URL. And also we gonna do in config.js. In config.js we can see that we passed here image, so we need to fix this as image.url. And also we can see that this is okay, in display image we write this here. Okay, it's working. So now we have to add here some css so to look this beautiful. So for that I will add the margin like this. So previously we can see that we added margin here of 3 rem. So I will do the same thing with this, and now I will add border of 2 pixels solid, and the color will be this one. So we need to here uh, decrease the width of this. So to decrease I will select here 180 pixels. Okay, so we need to improve, uh, increase some. So now I think it's good. And also I will put the same aspect ratio. So to do this, here we can see, and what we can do here, border radius. So first of all overflow hidden, and then border radius will be of 5 pixel, and I think it's good. Okay, amazing. Now let's see result again for KTM Duke. So let's get started, and the name will be like this, and then age 25 and fast. And also what I will do here, dot img component in here, on hovering, the background color will be like this. Okay, so slightly less than this color. So I will do here like this. Now here we can see that it's showing me target as blank without reference, no error. So let's add this also here so that it doesn't show me any error. Okay, now on refreshing again, on let's get started, name will be my and then 25 as age, and I will select here slow bike, and we get this hero plus. So here we can see that it's light now, and hero splendor plus i3s, so we get this final result. Hey, congratulations for completing this amazing project. Also, it's happiness for me because I completed the first series on YouTube. So if you like this series, then hit the subscribe button and like this video. Here on this channel, I'm going to upload content related to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then React, Redux, MongoDB, API, REST API. So we will cover all the things related to full stack development. And later, when I will learn about DevOps and blockchain, then I will definitely upload the series on the YouTube. So stay tuned for the videos, and I will see you next time.